Croeso, welcome. I'm Hannah Kenter from Nature Restores You, and I'm here today on behalf of Coed Lleol, part of the Small Woods Association. And I'm going to be talking to you about a mood boosting microbe that can be found in soil. Soil is an essential ingredient for life. It provides habitat for organisms and a medium for plants to grow. Now we also know that soil contains a natural antidepressant. This mood-boosting microbe has been named Mycobacterium vaccae, and we know that it lives naturally in the soil. In Uganda, local people referred to it as a muddy substance that has the power to cure a number of ailments. And research has been carried out, including with lung cancer patients and with sufferers of post-traumatic stress disorder. And the thinking is that inhaling or ingesting trace amounts of this microbe can improve our emotional health and reduce stress. So how does it work? Mycobacterium vaccae has been linked to the production of higher levels of serotonin. You've probably heard of serotonin, sometimes called our happy chemical, which we can also absorb from daylight. It's one of the reasons we find ourselves smiling on a sunny day. Well, serotonin helps to stabilise our mood, it helps to reduce stress and improve concentration. This mood-boosting microbe from soil gives us another very encouraging reason to connect with nature. To get up close with this natural antidepressant, spend some time in a garden, in a park, or why not visit your local woodland. Get your hands in the soil, searching for feathers, for patterned leaves, for snail shells, or for pine cones. Kids will enjoy the challenge too. So now we know that getting your hands dirty really can be good for you. Thanks for watching today. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and for more nature connection tips, subscribe to the Coed Lleol YouTube channel. Bye for now.